To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. A half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Bring it to a boil, then we're going to add a half a cup of amaranth. Amaranth is a nutritious gluten-free grain that provides plenty of fiber, protein, antioxidants, and micronutrients. It has an earthy, nutty flavor. We're going to reduce the temperature down to a low-medium, cover, and cook for 20 minutes. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. We are then going to add 1 cup of almond milk and 3 tablespoons of date syrup. The link for my date syrup recipe will be found in the description box. We're going to give it a stir and cook for about 5 more minutes. And there you have it, amaranth porridge. See you guys next time.